guys, welcome to my channel Art Craft Master. So here today I'm gonna show you how to make this plane. So let's get started. So you need to be having a A4 size sheet. This plane is simple and it flies. So you need to fold this A4 size sheet into half to make crease. So that will be simple. Fold this to the crease like this, just like this. Same the other side. Now fold it like this, and don't forget you need to leave some gap like this. I'll tell you why you need to leave it in few seconds. So fold once again like this to the crease. Same the other side. I told you to leave that space because you need to fold this like this, or else this too will be like in the edge of this. Now we need to fold this like this and fold it into half. Fold this like this and same the other side. The plane is ready. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe and like this video. Goodbye.